let's take a look at creating a different type of assignment in Canvas. This one is called a Google Cloud-based assignment. This is one of those assignments where you can create a template for your students as a Google Doc, a Google Slides, a Google Sheets, and then have one copy of that automatically assigned to each kid, and then you can grade it within Canvas's speed grader. It's a lot easier than having them create their own Google item and then doing the shared with me, and then you have all these emails and all this list. This just holds it all in Canvas. It's a pretty quick, simple process, and I think you'll really enjoy it. The first thing that you have to know is, though, the template starts in Google. I'm going to open a new tab, and I'm going to navigate to my Google Drive. I'll create my template. I would recommend making a folder that you put all of these Google assignments in. You'll notice I have one that says Canvas Google Assignments Fall 2018. I'm going to put a new template in here, and it can be as simple as creating a Google item and giving it a thoughtful name the students will recognize. And then I can leave the rest of it just the way it is, and they will be able to fully customize this. I am going to add a date on mine so that I personally know which one is which. So that's now created in my Google Drive. So now I'll head back to Canvas. In Canvas, I can start either in a module or in assignments. I'm going to go to my module. I'm going to add a new assignment. I'm going to call this and add my item. They always come to the bottom, so that's fine. I'm going to move that up to where I want it, my end of unit assessments. Then I'm going to click the title of it to go ahead and go in and edit those details. Click edit. Get some instructions. And then I'm going to scroll down and edit these details. Here's where this is important. You'll go ahead and add what you typically want to do for your assignments and your points. But then when you want to turn this into a Google Cloud-based assignment, you'll need to click on the submission type. And this is a new one. It's the external tool. This allows us to use something that's not Canvas, but is integrated with Canvas. Click Find and scroll down until you find the word Google Docs Cloud Assignment. Go ahead and click on that, and it will bring up your Google Doc. The first time you do this, you may get a big blue button down here that says Authorize. Go ahead and do that, and make sure you're linking this with your Pike email address. That's the handshake we want to have happen, is the Google Pike and the Google Canvas, or the Pike Canvas and Pike Google all working together. I'm going to locate my folder. I'm going to locate my item that I just created. Click Submit, and then click Select. Once I've changed all my other details to the way I want them, I click Save. And our students, when they go in, they will see their face, their name, their presentation. They might have to do that same authorization just that first time if they've never done this before. And if they click on the words, end of course presentation, it will open in a new tab and will give them more access. They'll have a big blue button at the top, just like any other assignment that says Submit. And when they click Submit, this will go in and take a snapshot of that item and give that to you in SpeedGrader. Now, they can continue to work on this by coming back, clicking on the blue link again, continuing to work, and they could resubmit to you. But each time, you would see where they were at that moment when they submitted. So no changes would happen to it after you see it until they resubmit. Then you could see those additional changes. This is nice because it always lives right here. You can get to it from your grade book. You can see these in SpeedGrader. You don't have to look or hunt for them in your shared with me or look for those emails from your students if you don't know how to share them. So this is a Google Cloud-based assignment. Why don't you go ahead and try one in your course?